Have you ever edited a photo and technically it's good? The dodging and burning is clean, the light makes sense, but somehow it still feels flat, just like there's no life in it at all. And it's not because you're doing it wrong, it's because something is missing. And once you see it, you'll never unsee it again. We are, guys, we're ready with the dodging and burning and some masking. And now I'm going to take it over to Photoshop, and I'm going to show you what I said in the intro about the missing bit where you can increase life to your image. I'm going to press OK. So here you are in Photoshop, everyone. I'm going to show you the before and after quite quickly. That was before the editing, and this is after the editing with masking and dodging and burning. Now I'm going to show you that bit that I said about the missing part. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to close these layers, flatten the image. I'm going to duplicate the image by dragging it down to the plus sign. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to image here on the top. I'm going to go over to adjustments, go over to the curves, and it's going to open up another window here, and I'm going to press options here. It's below the auto, press options, and it's going to open up another window. It's now already increased the brightness and the contrast, but we're not going to use that one. We're going to use the enhance monochromatic contrast. Just click here, and there we have it, guys. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press OK here as well, but you can see the difference. You have this blue line in the histogram here, and it's giving you more increase to the contrast and the brights. I'm going to press OK here, and I'm going to show you the before and after. That's with dodging and burning and masking. And now by using that curve tool, we've increased life to the image. And you can see you get a really fantastic photo, everyone. Before and the after. Before, and now I'm going to show you the before and after without masking and dodging and burning. That can really improve your photography. For me, it's a must, a big must to do dodging and burning and masking. And this is the after the dodging and burning. You can see it's still a bit flat here. So like I said, we went over to the image here. We went on adjustments, and then we went over to the curve tool. And we got this image from using that curve tool. The before and the after. So that's your missing link. You can call it a link here, guys, to increasing life to your image. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about black and white photography. And please give a thumbs up so YouTube can push this video even more. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next one.